Welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be fitting a cheap air filter solution that I got from online. The link will be in the description. I removed my original air box and this filter just went straight onto my original factory intake pipe. It came with the clamp, so I just did it up. It was pretty much plug and play. I did decide to add a little bit of foam, which I cut to size to my headlight ballast, just to avoid any kind of rubbing, as it did kind of like rest on there. But I found that it actually dropped down further into the engine bay as I drove. It wasn't supporting itself. So I'll get a video of that. I just popped it straight in. It was a little bit tough. I had to stretch it a tiny little bit and kind of squish it on there, but it's a very snug fit even before I did up the clip. And then, yeah, job's a good one. I fitted the factory air pipe piece there back just to direct a little bit more airflow. I might see if I can make a heat shield further down the line, a DIY heat shield. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. It sounds great. It's still filtering the air really well. It's letting in a lot more air. I think it's less restrictive. And I've definitely noticed a difference in sound and a small difference in power.